Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly game-changing for anyone using Mailchimp for their email marketing, understanding Mailchimp's analytics and reports. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find your campaign data, what each key metric means, and how to use those insights to grow your audience and boost your results. Whether you're completely new to analytics or just want a simple breakdown, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First off, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. This might seem obvious, but it's always good to start at the very beginning. Make sure you're using the correct credentials for the Mailchimp account you've been running your campaigns through. This is where your data lives. Once you're logged in, take a moment to explore the dashboard if you're not already familiar. Getting comfortable with your workspace will just make things smoother from here. Now, with your dashboard in front of you, let's head over and locate the Analytics section. Usually, you'll find this in the main menu, sometimes under different wording like Reports or Campaign Analytics, depending on any updates to Mailchimp's interface. Give it a click, and this is where the magic really starts to happen. Looking at analytics is a bit like having a window into your campaign's performance. It might seem overwhelming at first, but trust me, once you understand these numbers, they become your best friends for making smart marketing decisions. Inside the analytics area, you'll see several important metrics. The first one listed is revenue. Take a moment with this. Revenue isn't just a random number. It directly tells you how much income your email campaigns have generated. For anyone selling products or services, this is the ultimate measure of success. If you see this number going up after a campaign, you know your emails are hitting the mark. Next up, we have average order revenue. Think of this as your average ticket size, how much, on average, each customer is spending when they order through your email campaigns. This number is incredibly helpful. For example, if your revenue is high but your average order value is low, it might mean lots of small purchases. You could experiment with bundling offers or upselling to increase that average. And then you'll see orders. This sounds straightforward. It's literally the number of purchases made thanks to your email campaign. It's great for tracking growth over time or for comparing which campaigns generate more sales. Remember, sometimes a campaign might not have massive revenue, but still brings in a solid number of orders, which is a good sign for engagement and customer interest. Moving down the list, you'll also notice click rate. This percentage shows you how many recipients actually clicked on one of your links, maybe to check out a product, read an article, or sign up for something. This might feel like a small detail, but it's super important because it tells you if your subject lines and content are compelling enough to drive action. If this number is low, try testing different button colors, link placements, or more personal messaging. Right beside that is conversions, and this one is key. Conversion means the recipient didn't just open and click your email, but went on to take a meaningful action, making a purchase, signing up, or whatever end goal you set. This is the golden metric because it reflects true success. If conversions are lagging, it may not be your email's fault. Sometimes website speed or a confusing checkout page can impact this number. And finally, there's delivery details. Here, you'll find information about how many emails were successfully delivered, bounced, or maybe even caught by spam filters. This helps you keep your list clean and ensures that all your hard work isn't wasted on emails that never reach your audience. Take your time here. If you notice a lot of bounces, it's worth pruning old or inactive contacts. And that wraps it up. You've just gotten an inside look at Mailchimp's analytics and learned how to read and use every important metric. I hope this helps you feel more confident in leveling up your email marketing strategy. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Let me know your questions or share your own tips in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.